Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with amyswares, and I have a super quick and easy Christmas card idea. I have the new Fancy Merry Christmas and the new Festoons stencil. Here's a photo of the finished card, but really it was just a matter of layering up a couple brand spanking new stencils and boom. Easy holiday card done. So if you're in the market for some stencils, which will absolutely make your Christmas card creation or holiday card creation easier this year, be sure to check out the October release at A Colorful Life Designs. There's loads of new stencils. Some are seasonal and some are just cool and geometric looking and could be used year round. So to start, I'm doing a subtle background with some yellow ink through that festoon stencil, and then on top of it I'm going to layer the new Fancy Merry Christmas with kind of traditional, reds and greens and things like that. So the yellow is kind of a play on gold, but otherwise the red and green is very traditional. Now these grass skirt, and I think it's called Rocket Red. Let me just double check a moment. Yeah, I think it's Rocket Red. These I found are two of the most quote unquote traditional Christmas red and green. So if you have Catherine Pooler inks and you're wondering which ones make really good Christmas colors, I would say these two. These were in a collection when I purchased them. They came in a set of 4 of the 4 colors that I showed you. I don't know that she still sells them because I think she sells them all separately now, but I will try and remember to link the color names in the video description box below so that you have that for future reference. But these are super easy Christmas colors, and look how quick that came together. Boom, single layer, no stamping, all right on a card base. It'll be really easy to ship. Now here I get to adorn it with some blingage. There is gorgeous bling in the shop this month as well, which is great for kind of traditional holiday colors. So be sure to check that out. There will be a bundle in the first week. I don't know when I'll air this, but I did decide to go with both the these are new to this month, actually. Let me look at the colors. I think these are the holographic ones. I did the holographic red and the holographic green and just kind of did, the green on the top and the red on the bottom. I did actually do 3 groupings of 3, still odd numbers in my mind, so it's okay, even though the total count overall is an even number, which I don't normally do. I do find it's okay if you're doing like little clusters of 3 because it's still visually appealing to the eye. Now I felt like these white highlights really added to the stenciling. It didn't take a lot of time, but it really did add to the effect. So depending on how much time you have with your holiday card creations, you can kind of amp it up. You could do this on a different layer or keep it single layer. You could add the white gel pen or not. Either way, easy peasy. And this would be really super easy to batch. So thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found this helpful, please do hit the thumbs up. Check out the rest of the release and don't forget my coupon AmyFan10 and save some cash. So thanks for watching. Bye.